Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for watching. So today I'm doing the first oil change for the 2025 CX-50 Mazda hybrid. I'm also going to try installing this Fumoto valve. It's part number F133S. So this valve is usually made for the Toyota hybrids like the RAV4 and the Camry. But since the CX-50 hybrid shares a similar engine, I wanted to see if this one fits. As for the oil, I'm using the 0W16 and the capacity is 4.5 liters for this vehicle. The oil filter is part number 90915-YZZN1. It's a Toyota style filter that I picked up from a Mazda dealership. Now that we've got the oil, the filter, and the valve all ready to go, so yeah, let's get into it. So before going under the car, always start by popping the hood, taking off the oil fill cap, and pulling out the dipstick. That helps the airflow through the system and lets the oil drain out faster once you pull the plug. So before we get to draining the oil, you'll need to remove the underbody cover to expose the oil pan and drain plug. There are a few bolts and plastic push clips holding it in. On this vehicle, it was a mixture of both. I'll confirm the exact bolt size on screen. So this is it. The filter is right over here. This way is facing the front, and the oil pan drain plug is right out here. And this it does, at least from the videos that I watched, this one looks like a Toyota oil pan. So very likely this is the M12 1.25 thread pitch, but we'll check it out later. We'll confirm it later. So first things first, we'll take this out, and then we'll replace with a Fumoto valve, and then we'll continue on with the filter. Draining the factory oil now. Looks a little dirty, as expected for the first oil change. Now that the oil is drained, I'm going to take a second to compare the oil drain plug with the Fumoto valve. Okay, I've confirmed that the oil drain plug has a diameter of 12 and the thread pitch is 1.25. So that gives me the confidence to go ahead and install the valve. And it fits perfectly. Threads feel good and it sits flush with the oil pan. There is enough clearance and it looks solid. This particular model has a short nipple and comes with a locking clip. So you get a secure, mess-free setup for future oil changes. I will leave a link in the description for this valve. So it's the part number for the oil filter is 90915-10009, and we're going to replace it with 90915-YZZN1. Some oil. Okay, the new filter is on. The Fumoto valve is in place. Now we're going to fill it up. 4.5 liters of 0W16. Once that's done, I start the engine for a few seconds, let the oil settle, and check the level with the dipstick. That's it. All done. No leaks. Everything's running smoothly. And if the Fumoto F133S fits your car like it did mine, it will make your next oil change even easier. Thanks for watching. If this helped, feel free to like or subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.